If you're a content creator looking to grow your brand, increase engagement, and get your name out there, then you need the right marketing strategy. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the world's first AI agent team for influencer marketing. And the name of the AI tool is Aha. Aha AI will help you create compelling ads for your business by making influencer marketing easy for you. Aha AI is an AI-powered platform designed specifically for influencer marketing. I'll walk you through how this platform works and how it can help you create compelling ads to reach thousands of potential followers and maximize your brand's visibility. Whether you're a YouTuber, entrepreneur, or social media creator, knowing how to market yourself is the key to success. Aha Ads is essentially like Google Ads, but powered by AI to fully automate your advertising campaign. But first, you can sign up and create your campaign completely free from the link in the description. Payment only kicks in once you start running your ads. You can also use Aha Academy to quickly master the Aha Ads. So let's make an advertisement campaign. So first step is to log into your account and create a campaign. Just click on this icon and put the link of your website. I'll type Minecraft's website as an example. Now just click on generate. After a while, Aha AI will create a campaign for you that outperforms human expert benchmarks. These campaign ideas are tailor-made for your business. You can browse any option that relates with your vision. After selecting your desired campaign, you'll create a key message. Here you alter every setting for your campaign, like the competitors, talking points, and core audience of your business. After that, just click on next, and on this page, you can select the objective of your ad campaign according to your needs. Like for the case of Minecraft, I'll choose signups, and I'll click on next. On this page, you can customize additional settings such as the placement for your ad, language, and most importantly, the locations. After that, just click on next. Aha has about 10,000 profiles of optimized audiences that Aha can curate according to your business needs. When you hit next, you can set the budget for your campaign. Aha AI will also show the estimated results for the campaign ad so that you can adjust the budget according to your needs. After that, just enter the landing page of your website that you want your audience to visit. Now just click on review to review your campaign and just hit release. After that, Aha will handle all the influencer matching for your business. Based on your information, Aha will easily match your brand with the influencers catering to your needs. To become a partner with an influencer, just hit confirm. You can access content submitted by the influencer in the Approved Delivery tab. Here you can provide additional feedback or just approve the product. You can check the published content on the homepage. After reviewing the content, just click on Complete Collaboration to finish the partnership. You can keep an eye on your campaign from the Report tab. This is an efficient way to use AI to market your business, and I think it's going to get some great results. Signing up is simple. Head over to Aha AI through the link in description, create a profile, and let Aha's AI start finding the perfect influencers for your brand. If you made it this far, consider subscribing, and if you want to know how to generate free AI avatars, click on this video and I'll see you there.